ओके, वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ क्लास 8th। बच्चों, मैंने आज आप लोगों को पढ़ाया था एंग्लो मैसूर वॉर के बारे में। तो मैंने आपको मैसूर स्टेट की सबसे पहले एक इंट्रोडक्शन दिया था। मैसूर स्टेट में क्या था क्या नहीं था मैंने आपको बताया था। मैसूर वॉज रूल्ड बाय वाडियर डायनेस्टी एंड द किंग ऑफ वाडियर डायनेस्टी वॉज चीका कृष्ण राज। Chika Krishna Raj has two sons, Nagraj and Devraj, and the elder son Nagraj was the last ruler of Wadiyar dynasty. After the Nagraj, Nagraj succeeded by Hyder Ali. Hyder Ali was a petty army officer in the Nagraj army, and Hyder Ali is succeeded by his son Tipu Sultan. So this is a political hierarchy of Mysore. After that, I had also told you about the relationship of the Mysore. So Mysore had a friendly relationship with French, and Mysore has many rivals. Mysore have Maratha, Nizam and Britishers. So these all are the rivals of Mysore: Maratha, Nizam and Britishers. Okay. So I had already told you that there were four Anglo-Mysore war fought, and the first Anglo-Mysore war fought between 1766 to 1769, and in this first Anglo-Mysore war the combined forces of Nizam, Marathas and Britishers attacked the Mysore, but surprisingly Hyder Ali lead Mysore and Mysore win this war. Mysore win this war because by the help of French give supply to Mysore in the first Anglo-Mysore war from their port Mahi. Okay. In the second battle, after the first battle, there is a treaty signed between Britishers and Hyder Ali. Hyder Ali dictated that treaty, and in that treaty, Britishers promised Hyder Ali to support Mysore whenever Maratha attacked the Mysore. Okay, but after 2 years in 1771, when Marathas attacked the Mysore, Britishers didn't help the Mysore. By this, Hyder Ali swore to never trust the Britishers again. So, the second Anglo-Mysore war fought between 1780 to 1784, and in this war, Britishers seized the port Mahi. Why Britishers seized the port Mahi? Britishers seized the port Mahi because in the first Anglo-Mysore war, Mahi was the port or the base from which Mysore get most of his supplies. That is why in the second Anglo-Mysore war, Britishers seized this port. Okay. When this port seized, Mysore didn't get the supplies. As a result, in the second Anglo-Mysore war, Mysore was defeated, and post this war, Hyder Ali died. After Hyder Ali, his son Tipu Sultan take the command, and Tipu Sultan also fought third Anglo-Mysore war, and in the third Anglo-Mysore war, Mysore defeated because Mysore weakened by a series of war, and this port was also seized. So in the third Anglo-Mysore war, Mysore was defeated. Britishers win the war, and after the war, Britishers try to consolidate the Mysore that please accept subsidiary alliance, but Tipu Sultan rejected to accept the proposal of subsidiary alliance for Britishers. As a result, in 1799, 4th Anglo-Mysore war was fought, and Tipu Sultan died in this war. Okay. In the third Anglo-Mysore war, there is a treaty signed at Seringapatam, that is known as the Treaty of Seringapatam. And after the death of Hyder Ali, his two sons take as a hostage, and after that a puppet king of Wadiyar dynasty installed by the Britishers. Okay. So this is the background of Mysore, political hierarchy and chronology मैंने आपको सब बता दिया. And now आ जाते हैं strategies used by the Britishers to capture what? To capture the India. So Britishers made many strategies, but one of the most important strategies that we have to study are subsidiary alliance, annexation and doctrine of lapse. So what do you mean by subsidiary alliance? Subsidiary alliance means Britishers force a state that you should have to maintain British troops in your state. You have to maintain British troops in your state. मतलब ब्रिटिशर्स बोलते थे आपके जो राज्य है उसके अंदर क्या होगी, ब्रिटिश आर्मी होगी जिसका सारा मेंटेनेंस आपको देना पड़ेगा. इसका फ़ायदा क्या होगा? इसका फ़ायदा ये होगा कि ब्रिटिशर्स आपके ऊपर अटैक नहीं करेंगे और कोई और आपके ऊपर अटैक करेगा तो ब्रिटिशर्स क्या करेंगे, ब्रिटिशर्स आपको सपोर्ट देंगे. ओके, बट आपको क्या करना है, आपको कोई भी ट्रीटी किसी के साथ नहीं करनी, कोई भी वॉर नहीं करनी है. जो भी करेगा वो कौन करेगा, ब्रिटिशर्स. एज अ रिज़ल्ट क्या हुआ, एज अ रिज़ल्ट ये हुआ जो इंडिपेंडेंसी थी हमारे रूलर्स की वो ख़त्म हो गई. और जब हमारे रूलर्स की इंडिपेंडेंसी ख़त्म हुई उनके ऊपर एक एक्स्ट्रा बर्डन आया टू मेंटेन द ब्रिटिश फोर्सेस. उसकी वजह से उन्होंने टैक्सेशन ज़्यादा किया, जिसकी वजह से क्या हुआ, जो एक स्मूथली रूल वो कर रहे थे वो डिस्टॉर्टेड हो गया. एंड एज अ रिज़ल्ट क्या हुआ, ब्रिटिशर्स ने कुछ सालों बाद जब इंडिपेंडेंसी ख़त्म हो गई रूलर्स की, वो पूरी तरीके से ब्रिटिश फोर्सेस पर डिपेंड हो गए, तो ब्रिटिशर्स ने उनको एनेक्स कर लिया. ओके, ऑल ऑफ यू, थैंक यू वेरी मच.